This came as a big surprise, and Paul Parker was so valued and so effective.
Tom Packard is with Showing Up for Racial Justice North County. He says Parker's resignation from CLERB, the Citizens Law Enforcement Review Board, was a big loss.
He had huge amounts of talent, and he also understood the way the system worked and the way it could be improved, and they were heading in a good direction.
Parker resigned on March 11th. He repeatedly pressed for the review board to assert more oversight on in-custody deaths at county jails. According to county records, San Diego has documented a high number of deaths while in custody for more than a decade. The problem is so severe, the state auditor in 2022 recommended state oversight. So far this year, there have been 4 in-custody deaths.
And the fact that he was that frustrated about the sheriff's department resistance to really systemic level change, that we were really disappointed that he left.
Parker had pushed for scanning sheriff's deputies on their way into county jails to prevent drug smuggling and overdoses. The sheriff's department has repeatedly resisted doing that, despite similar recommendations from the state auditor and county grand jury.
This is kind of a wake-up call for the CLERB and for the Board of Supervisors.
With Parker's departure, Packard wants the county to have a member of the community on the selection committee, and for the county to select someone who will vigorously carry CLERB's work forward.
But I think the key things that they need to get in the new executive is somebody with leadership ability that can look at that system strategically and help focus on what systems changes need to be made in the jails, not just minor procedural changes.
He sent a letter to county and CLERB leaders Tuesday evening, signed by a coalition of community members, outlining the concerns. So far, he hasn't heard back from anyone. KPBS reached out to the county for comments, but did not receive a response by airtime. Alexander Nguyen, KPBS News.